Hello everyone. So yesterday I had access to an Alienware Area-51m laptop, and I've used a test video to do kind of like a bench test of Davinci Resolve rendering. So I have about a 2 gig file here. It's a 4K file from a Sony A6300, and I don't have the laptop in front of me anymore, but I did screenshot the results. So essentially, to do this test, what I do is I drag my 2K file into Resolve. I go to LUT Sony, and I just drag the last Sony LUT over the file. Then go to Render, change this to QuickTime, and that's it. And everything is 4K standard. And I was just very interested in how this laptop would render. It has an i9-9900K. It's a very, very fast laptop. And I have this simple file. I ran it on other computers, and so let's take a look here. Where's my little screenshot? So, in comparison, my fairly old ZBook 17 took 16 minutes and 30 seconds. An HP Omen with a i7-8750H took 10 minutes and 30 seconds. And the Alienware took just over 4 minutes, which is truly astonishing. And I've never really had a laptop that was kind of a full desktop replacement before, and I was really just blown away by the results. They are incredible. And if you can see here on the right, I ran 4 tests. The laptop has 2 power adapters. So the first test is with the larger power adapter only plugged in. This is with both, then with the larger, and then this is with both again. So you can see that there's a very small improvement with both power adapters plugged in. But either way, I just thought that this was just, it really was a huge difference, especially versus this older laptop. I know this laptop's like 5 or 6 years old. But 16 minutes of 4 minutes is huge, and especially also for the Omen that is a much newer computer. It has 6 cores. It still just completely obliterated it. It's just, I am very impressed. I just wanted to share these results. I'm not sure, for example, these small times with both power adapters plugged in. Obviously, if you're rendering something, you probably want both plugged in, but you can see there's a small jump. And if you were rendering a file that maybe took 1 hour to render, I think this would clearly be a larger percentage of difference. But overall, just if anyone's wondering, Davinci Resolve, kind of how fast a certain processor will render a 2 gig small video just with just 1 LUT dragged over it, nothing else. This really is the comparison. And I'm now kind of interested in buying one of these computers. I just want to say that it wasn't really quite big as some of the other super massive kind of giant laptops I've seen in the past, the ones that are like literally 2.5, 3 inches thick. This one, it's a little bulkier, it's a little thicker than my HP ZBook, but I feel like the bulkiness is certainly worth it. Like, I would never want one of those 15-pound super ridiculous computers that don't even look like a laptop. But this Alienware Area-51m, it felt good, and it's clearly very expensive, but look what you get for the results. It's really, there's no comparison whatsoever. I'm just gonna bring that back up one more time. So yeah, I ran 4 tests. There's just no comparison. So hopefully someone finds this useful. Yeah, it was excellent.